Hey everybody, welcome back to Uncle Bill's Kitchen. I'm your host, Uncle Bill, and this is my kitchen. Today, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about a new thing that I've discovered called bulgur number 1. Oh, it's healthy. It's like rice, but it's not. It's delicious, and it takes on the flavors that you add to it. I got a recipe that's going to knock your socks off. Stay tuned, because I'm going to show you how to do it right.
Hello, and welcome to Uncle Bill's Kitchen. Thanks for stopping by Uncle Bill's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. If you did, please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe. It lets you know each and every time a new video comes out, so you'll never miss one again. Also, we'd like to thank each and every one of you who have been sharing our videos on your social media platforms. It's really helping our channel out a lot, and we're growing super fast because of you. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Hey, would you like to help our channel out more? Think about becoming a Patreon. Or, if that's too much, don't worry. Buy me a coffee. Links in the description below.